Your evolution became a superpower. Your change is a superpower. You have people that never ever change or evolve. Their identity is all they have, so they hold on to it. Every day they just make up things to invent their identity. Meanwhile, you're out here changing every day, becoming an actual evolutional walking time machine. It's like you become younger, everybody else gets older. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Cups. You're forcing everybody to love each other, and everybody wants hatred. Everybody wants hatred because that's the only way they could feel more powerful than other people, is through made-up stories, through made-up situations. Through made-up situations, they can force people into losing their independence, or trying to force people to put people in conflict. It forces, if they can get you to act crazy, then they can say that you're crazy. If they can get you to act, poor, they can ruin your reputation and get you to act poor, then they can feel more powerful than you. This is more like a corporate ass kisser type vibe, where they they like literally go and complain to your boss every time you're doing good, just so they can have some kind of advantage over you, because they feel entitled to having some benefit of your work. So you could work really hard, or you could be in a really good relationship and they don't have what you have, so they want to, I guess, so to say, replicate your lifestyle. The only way they can replicate your lifestyle is through stories. So they're making up things about you, or trying to ruin your reputation, so they can replicate you. The strong energy of evolution is really your superpower. So every day you look different. Every day they look the same. So they're trying to say you're fake because you look different every day. You can't change the way you look. That's discrimination. To say that. Page of Cups, Two of Cups is out here. So everybody loves you. Everybody absolutely loves you. Even if they say things of hatred towards you, they absolutely love you. And that throws these people also into rage, because they don't want people to love you. They want everybody to hate you. They're trying to recruit haters against you, and yet more, you're recruiting lovers, they're recruiting haters. So it's like, on both sides of that scope, they're getting mad because there's nobody that will hate you anymore. So everybody's ganging up on, all your lovers are ganging up on all those haters that they're trying to recruit. So it's like this big war of love and hate mixed into, all because they can't change and they won't evolve. They won't do anything to make themselves better in life. They won't change. And you're forcing change on everybody. You're forcing love and change on everybody, and evolution. And that's what we're here to do, is evolve. You're in your power. You're standing within the laws of the universe. They are not. They're standing with hatred. Hatred does nothing but bring everybody down. Hatred does nothing but rot entire civilizations. So they're not getting nowhere. They're going to lose every battle with you. They try to keep you locked in past arguments. Like, if you did something in the past, they're trying to make it seem that much worse to try to recruit haters. It's not working. Like, Queen of Wands is also, this is also part of your evolution to be a leader. It's also part of your evolution to stand out. It's part of your evolution to look different every day. That's what you were put here to do. You were put here to make everybody think about, even if everybody saw you as changing and evolving every day, that everybody would look at themselves and say, well, how can I change to do better? You're forcing change for the better on the planet. And meanwhile, you have these other people out here just absolutely just mad that they aren't changing, mad that they don't know how to change. They lost touch with themselves, and your aura, like walking around, you're forcing change on everybody. You're forcing people to look within themselves at what they can change. The Hangman, trapped. These people are trapped in hatred. It's just no possible way. They're trapping themselves every time they try to trap somebody else in arguments. It's kind of reverse spell work. A couple of cards stuck together here. We got Justice, Eight of Swords, more trapped. The world card. You're destined for greatness. Your evolution is creating a situation in where justice will once again rise in the world. Eight of Swords. It's like a lot of prisoners are being released right now. I'm not saying the actual criminals, people that have actually done bad things in their lives. I'm saying that the people that were accused, false accusations, people that were judged, people that were scapegoated, people. It's basically the fallen people that did nothing wrong. They were innocent. It's just that they stood out. They were targeted. All of that spell work is being reversed right now. These people are being paid back by the universe to rise once again. And God wants them to rise in front of all of the haters. God is using everybody that has fallen to lies, corruption. All of these people are rising from the dead, so to say, at this time. They're being compensated for the war that needed to be fought against hatred. They're changing the world. It's evolution, it's DNA, survival of the fittest. That's just the way it works. No hatred could overcome that. There's no way to one up the laws of the universe. There's no way. The moon in reverse, removing all illusions, justice, and removing all illusions. So your evolution, and you really got people pressed because of your evolution. And it's not just you. There's thousands just like you that were scapegoated, that were put down, that society tried to bury under lies, just because, some entitled idiot or idiots didn't want to wake up and smell the coffee. They didn't want to wake up and say, hey, there's something wrong with me. I need change. I need to not be so toxic. Instead, they try to put you down and project it all onto you. Well, all of that spell work is being reversed, especially this year. This year, everything changes. This is revenge of the fallen. This is revenge of the people that took the fall for the narcissists. This is revenge for people that have been buried in lies or scapegoated. All of that's going to turn around, and people are really going to look stupid. People are really going to look stupid going forward. There's no amount of lies that can be told right now. It's like the entire programming and spell work of the narcissist is being reversed. And this is not of just the people. This is the universe. All lies must come to the surface. What's done in the dark must come to the light. Go from being trapped and binded as a prisoner to absolute celebrations. And many of the people that were scapegoated, and if their graves were already dug, they're all getting together to celebrate, to laugh and celebrate. Evolution. Wow. Evolution. Queen of Cups reverse also. Queen of Cups reverse is basically showing that in the world today there's just too much illusions. There's just way too much. Everybody's staring at the same things every day, and they're not looking within themselves to try to make lives better and make their life better, which is, if you don't know how to make your life better, then that becomes a mental disorder on its own. That means that people above you, leaders above you, aren't they're putting you in a state of disorder instead of actually trying to see you go any further. So if they don't want you to go any further, that means they're trying to oppress you. Eight of Cups, abandoning old beliefs, which is every day. This is every day for the collective. Abandoning old beliefs or beliefs that do not serve you, changing for the next day. You may even look different every single day, and that has people triggered as fuck. You just get sexier every day, and that just triggers people all to hell. They can't figure it out. They won't they won't do anything to better themselves, or even try different things. It's just the same thing every day. They won't abandon old beliefs or try anything different. They just blame everybody else for their downfall or their shortcomings. They just blame everybody else instead of trying to fix anything. And that comes from leadership. The leadership itself in or around these people are forcing them or oppressing them into an idea or belief that they can't change, and that like the belief system is totally fucked up, and your belief system is abandoning everything that doesn't serve you. Or if they're telling you not to change, you're just like, yeah, fuck that, I'm gonna change and try to do something better here. The Tower. Ultimately, it leads to destruction. Not your mindset, not your beliefs. Your superpower is causing absolute destruction to the idiots that were trying to prevent anybody else from going forward. Oppression in general is being destroyed. Thank you.